Hey, and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to dive into the process of configuring an SAML-based login form for your Softr app. SAML allows your app to authorize the credentials your users have from the identity provider, like OneLogin, Okta, Sure, Active Directory, among others, so that you can implement SSO in your app. For the purposes of this video, I'm going to use OneLogin.com as the identity provider for this tutorial. So I'm going to sign into my OneLogin account. And after getting into my dashboard, I'm going to go to Applications and then Add App. Now I'm going to type SAML test connector and select this one right here. You'll be able to change the icon of your choosing for the regular icons, square icons for the portal, but I'm just going to leave it as is. And you can also type out any description that you'd like. And after pressing save, you'll see that the SAML custom connector was added. Then we can go to the configuration side of things. And in our Softr app of choosing, so for example, this application portal, what we're then going to do is add a login block that is for SAML. So if I click on this, we then will go to settings, SAML configuration, and then you'll see that there is an ACS URL and an audience URL. We're going to copy this and then go into the configuration and paste this. So the ACS consumer URL is going to be pasted in there. The audience URL is going to be pasted right here into this audience entity ID section. And then for the URL validator, you can actually just press a period here and just leave it not empty with an asterisk. And for the recipient, all you're going to do is publish your Softr app and then copy the application link and drop it right in here. Now, the next step is we're going to press save and we can go to the parameter section. And what we're going to do is we're going to add a field name. So I'm going to do email_key and then click include in SAML assertion. And we can do this for the other fields as well. So we got email_key for email is what the value is going to be. So we're going to press save here. And then we can do the rest of these for things like first name, last name. If I were to press plus and then just do first key and then include it and then save, do first name, and then go through the rest of these as well for these custom parameters. So last key and save for the last name, include an SAML insertion. And then on the top right, don't forget to save everything that we've just done here by pressing save. And in the end, your application should have all of these three fields configured. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to go to get the metadata for the XML. So going to this SSO tab right here, we're going to copy the issuer URL and go back within your SAML settings in your Softr app. And we can actually first paste this and we'll download a file that we'll need next. And what we're going to do is we're going to open this, and I recommend opening it with a notepad to make it easier if you're on Windows. And then we're going to copy this and paste it into this metadata XML spot right here. And then you're going to fill in the key name. So for example, email_key and then first_key and last_key for what we had set up earlier in the application. Then we're going to press save. Now, when I click into the sign in with SSO block for the SAML single sign-on, we can adjust this and change the logo or the background image. Then you're going to make sure to publish your app so all the settings hold over. Now, any user with one login access is going to be able to log into your Softr app easily by going to your Softr app and clicking sign in with SSO. And as you can see here, boom, I was added to this website. Once again, quickly, easily, and with a more secure login system. I hope you liked this video and that informed you on how to use SAML login with Softr. If you want to find more videos like this, make sure to check out all the other videos on our YouTube channel, and make sure to specifically check out this one on how to improve your skills using Softr even more.